this one, guess it doesn't matter. Right there. 7 1/4. Right there. So then let's bring our 2 signatures back. So we put the white one on this one, so this one needs to go over here. I'm going to choose this one. And then this green one here, I'm going to put it on the front of this one. And then this one, I think I'm okay with that one there. And then the music ones, I want this part on the bottom, so where should we put it? Where should we put it? Let me say this one. I'm gonna say this one. See, now I think it sticks out even more that I added those papers to it. But it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pages. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we're good. Which I kind of want 10. Okay, well, we'll leave these alone for now. I don't have a rubber band around here. They're always everywhere on my table when I need it. It's missing in action. Okay. Let me go to my drawer real quick, guys. I'm already running out, but I already got a bigger bag. I usually use these to wrap around when I do book pages. Just to keep them together till I sew them. So there, we got these ready. Now let's get this ready. I guess I will leave that blue one there. Toss these over here. Okay. So then, so this one was from here. So I want it like that. So for this one, let's measure again the length. It is 7 3/4. So 7 3/4. So let's cut them all real quick and then we'll put them in. So 7 3. I'm getting hungry, guys. Are you guys getting hungry? I'm getting hungry. Guess this one doesn't matter. So 7 3/4. This one. There. save my little scraps because these are good for collaging. Let me here real quick. Okay. Now let's bring our signatures back. Hopefully I didn't move the camera. Sorry guys. But okay. So for this one, I'm going to put this one in here. And then this one here, this way. Oh, I want the flap on the other side, so. Like that. And then the white one, put it next to this lady here. I'm going to have to get coffee dyed paper because I want 10 in each signature. And, well, this one has less pages. Well, we'll count it right now. Yeah, I kind of want to round it off. Okay, I'm gonna have to make this a tuck because I'm gonna cover that. See, it makes it stick up more. Yeah, I'm gonna have to trim them and just resew them because I don't like that. So I'll probably do that off camera. But I am going to, see, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to add 2 pages on each signature of coffee dye paper. Because, yeah, I want 10 in each. And that one, I think, had 9. So I think I need to add 1 more on the other. But, yeah, we'll trim that and resew all that offline, and then we'll continue putting it together and sewing in the signatures. Or should I just do that and then just start decorating? What do you guys think? Let me know if you guys want to see me put the signatures together, or if you guys, you know, want me to do that off camera so you guys don't have to watch all that. I've done that before in my videos, so I don't know if you guys want to see it again. And then you can just start decorating it. So yeah, you guys gotta let me know. But so yeah, for now we got this ready. We got that ready, so all we have to do, oh, and then I need to do the covers too. I haven't done that. My God, such pretty papers. But anyways, okay, I'm going to stop right here then. Let me know if you guys want me to, if you guys want to see me putting it together. If not, I'll just put all that together and then we'll just start decorating the fun stuff. But anyways, thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.